Well, let's try this a second time. Uh, this is Williams, Philippines. It is now 4:10 in the p.m. on Saturday, August 16th, 2025. Uh, I just finished eating my dinner, all $3 worth of it, the peanuts included, and they were still warm. That was some pork adobo and lumpia, the pork adobo on the top of rice. And yeah, I had an enjoyable meal. I don't know about y'all, but I like uh, lumpia, and yeah, I'm very much into lumpia. But yes, I had a good meal, lumpia, and then I was just sitting down. And I started this thing. I was about a minute into it, and the phone rang, and it was Amazon, not Prime, but I had enough stuff that qualified for free shipping here. Uh, I don't know about y'all, but I've been dealing with little bitty packages of stevia, powdered stuff. So I did something. I ordered bottles, 8-ounce ones. This probably lasts me 6 months over here, but that's okay because, well, I got stevia. And I don't know, this isn't a paid promotion or anything like that. It's just the brand I like. Been using it for 10 years, something like that, 8 or 10 years. And I either get it off of eBay if it's cheaper, or I get it off of Amazon if it's cheaper. Usually Amazon wins, but only by $1 or so usually. But again, I got stevia for my coffee in the morning. Yay! Which is a good thing. Let's see. Oh, apparently I had, well, yesterday, sorry I missed y'all. I had to go deal with Smart because they wanted me to reconfirm my passport and visa. Yeah, I'm not too happy about that. Uh, and they're like, well, we'll have to have you come in and do this again. Mm-hmm. Why? Yeah. As long as I pay my bill, what the hell do you care? I don't know. All I know is Smart is stupid in that area. Yeah, just saying. Quite honestly, I I wanted to just say do away with it, and I'll go with Globe because I just come from Globe and got their numbers set up on this phone with a dual SIM. So now I have one that I can carry that is both my Texas number and a Philippines number. And when I want to go out, I can take this one and forward it to that one. So if anything does come through, I get it on this one while I'm out and about. And I don't have to endanger one of my phones that's important, the one that has my, you know, more information on it, more important stuff. So yeah, it is what it is. But yes, that was the closest to being stressed I've been since I got here. Then when I got out of there, it was like, okay, chill. Came home, walked up the road, got my stuff taken care of, and brought home dinner and called it a day. Sadly, after having eaten dinner, I should have tried to did a video, but I didn't. But one of the things I did while I was out was I got Globe, and then I got smart up and going enough, and then I paid my rent on the way home, and then got my dinner, and then went to sleep. So I actually got a few things done yesterday, which is good. Uh, yeah, I don't like that thing up there that high. It's, I feel like I'm doing this to take and look into the camera. So instead of that, I'm looking at me in the camera. Eh, I don't know. I need to reposition it. I have the thing. It sits in a spot that I don't like, which is, yeah. Nothing in the world's perfect, especially when it comes down to positioning of items and how you work around it. Anyway, after all that, while I was out getting my dinner, I swung by and tried to put some. They call it load for your phone, and apparently I did something wrong. It can't. It didn't go to my phone, or well, no, it went to my phone, but it didn't show as going to my phone. So I don't know. So I just went over there and got that took care of and got a refund from that. Picked up my dinner, come home, ate it, and the Amazon delivery guy. He's not actually Amazon, but I guess he is because he handles those packages. Uh, yeah, had to go down and get that. Interesting day. But yes, they refunded the amount on the load, and the girl over there was quite happy to try to get me to go for another run of it. I said we'd try at a later date. I'm not trusting that machine right now. I don't know what was the problem. It was probably between here and here, a mental malfunction on my part, some way or another. But at this point, I was just ready to, yeah, call it a day. I'll try again later. And yeah, I'm I did, like I said a couple days ago, I did manage to get some money put on Gcash. I think I'm going to try to use that tonight. It shows it as an option. Yeah, I may try to go there and get some Gcash put on because apparently a lot of folks use it and it can be used on paying for load. So I don't know. I'll give it a try. Anyway, interesting day. And I'm having fun with it. And even with the stress of smart yesterday, that wasn't even that much stress. I'm really liking the Philippines for that single point. I'm not stressing out over a lot of stuff. And the one little thing that actually stressed me for a little bit, breeze. It blew through and was gone. So yeah, other than the fact that I really don't like sitting in a jeepney with a whole bunch of people at one time. I'm okay when it's a few, but definitions of few are very different between Texas Panhandle and the Philippines. Yeah. when you're so packed in there that you have to reassemble yourself to get the parts out because it feels like they all got squished in together. It is what it is, but that's okay. Got Monday coming up, or Tuesday coming up for my right eye. So, woo-hoo. And one of the things I did was when I was at the paying my rent, I looked at one of their, there's an ATM just outside their place at a bank that's sitting right there, BDO, and it says it takes a Discover card. I'm going to try it and see. Uh, that would be nice if it is, because then I can, you know, use it, and it's literally just up the road, and it's right there where I can use it to take in with the amount I can take out. I can pay my rent and not have to be toting a bunch of money around. So that would be good. Go from the ATM to the office, pay the bill, and go. So yeah, boy, mm, I'm tired. Got up and did a little around here, and then went out, did some things, and came back. Yeah, I'm trying to keep myself busy by going out and doing things. And there's always seems to be something to go check out. I'm not putting a lot on the plate, but that's okay. Uh, I don't want a big plate right now. I'm just trying to enjoy a little slow pace, no stress. Still need to get over to the fishing shop and check out the tackle and some rods and reels. We'll see. Possibly next week. I got probably a second visit. I'll go Tuesday like they did uh, surgery on Monday. Checked it out on Tuesday, so probably do that surgery on Tuesday and check it out on Wednesday. And then probably try to call it a day after that. I got rained on so bad. I did mention I got two raincoats, right? It's okay. Raincoats are good. Uh, the thing is, you got to have them when you need them. If you don't have them, well, then you come home soaked like I did. And my wallet is just now dried out. And I'm not really sure it's completely dried out. My shoes are dried out. I wore them today. So, yay. I think I'm going to try to throw those into my laundry and send them through. See if the girl over there will just wash them. I don't know. We'll see. It is what it is. Anyway, I didn't catch whether she said she would do shoes or not. And if she does, should I do just one at a time or do several of them at a time? And do I really want to have my shoes in with my good clothes, giving me foot smell in my shirt? I don't know. We'll see. I just don't know. The hazard of it. All these new things to think of. Anyway, I hope you've had a blessed day. lots of food, lots of friends, and lots of family. And again, more food. And oh, that's so easy over here. Uh, like I say, it was carry out, carry home, and take home. And I put a good dent into it. Like I say, the only thing I got left is some peanuts. So I had a meal for, well, even if I ate all the peanuts, it would have still been under $3. But for $2, I ate good. I'm happy about that. I probably could have added extra rice in there and had some more filler, but I don't know. Some days I do, some days I don't. Today I didn't. It is what it is. Anyway, more food. This is William Williams Philippines. Do your thing for you. It's choice. Like, comment, subscribe. Hey, I'm fishing. Well, fish is out. Later blessings. Bye bye.